Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, my name is Shan Shukla, and I'll be conducting your today's GD. In your SSB classes, आपका 9 to 10 चलता है GD in lecturate session, which is more or less like your personality development classes. 10 to 4 will be your regular SSB classes. Today will be screening classes, which will be taken by Captain S.K. Singh sir. And then after that, 4 to 5 will be your current affairs classes. My introduction, my name is Shan Shukla. I also was a defense aspirant like you. I have qualified CDS 2 times. My all India rank is 34 for IMA, being recommended from 19th SSB board in Allahabad. But because of medical issue, could not join the academy. So right now I'm training you guys to become a future officers and achieve your dreams. Today we'll be conducting an exercise of group discussion. GD is a very important exercise regarding your SSB because total of 4 GD you have to conduct in overall SSB. First is your PPDT exercise. Second, GD. The first task of your GTO, there you have to conduct 2 GDs, 2 group discussions. For first GD, 2 topic आपको बताए जाएंगे, and among those topic you have to choose one. And for the second topic, you will not be given an option. A GTO will tell you one topic, and you will have to do discussion on that. And the next GD will be of group planning exercise. There also you have to conduct a GD and come to a common conclusion. So GD becomes very important as 4 GDs you have to conduct overall, and it assesses most of your 15 OLQs like the power of expression, ability to influence the group, self-confidence, liveliness, group adaptability, various other factors. So today's discussion, after giving you a topic, I will also give you 3 subleads. Among those 3 subleads, you have to choose one and give your opinion कि आपका वाला point बाकियों से बेहतर क्यों है. But always remember, it is a discussion, not a debate. So listen to others as well. I would like कि अगर एक बार में एक या maximum 2 लोग ही बोले. Do not create a fish market here. दूसरों के points को सुनना है, then अपने points को देना है. As it is a discussion. कई factors जो आपको ध्यान में रखने हैं, like various important things जो आपको ख्याल में रखनी है. The first is power of expression. Very important factor. It will comprise of both verbal and non-verbal communication. What you speak and how you speak it. You have to keep in mind your body language, the hand gestures, eye contact with a cheerful face, and then comes your language. The fluency, the words that you choose, and the content that you provide. Content that you provide से next factor आता है, that is your knowledge of work. कितनी knowledge है आपके बारे में, the current scenario से जो topic उठाए जा रहे हैं, how aware you are regarding your surrounding. And the third most important thing is self-interest and group dynamics. आपका इंटरेस्ट कितना है पार्टिसिपेट करने का, द सेंस ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस एंड दूसरों की सुनने की चाहत भी, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ डिस्कशन. तो आप जितना बोलेंगे उससे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट ये भी है कि आप सुन कितना रहे, राइट. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट फैक्टर आता है आपका स्टेबिलिटी. जिसकी परफॉर्मेंस इफेक्टिव होती है, दैट पर्सन हैज़ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू मेक द ग्रुप स्टेबल. अगर ग्रुप ज़्यादा फिश मार्केट क्रिएट करा, दैन इट बिकम्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उसको थोड़ा लोअर डाउन करें. अगर डिस्कशन लो जा रहा है, देन इट इज़ योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अब उसको पंप अप करके ऊपर तक लेके आए उसकी परफॉर्मेंस. क्लियर है? एनी डाउट्स? सो टुडेज टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन विल बी वेयर शुड इंडिया फोकस टू इंक्रीज डेवलपमेंट. वेयर शुड इंडिया फोकस टू इंक्रीज डेवलपमेंट. फर्स्ट, वेस्ट एशियन नेशंस. सेकेंड, यूरोपियन नेशंस. And third, American nations. Am I clear or should I repeat the topic? Clear. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to brainstorm your ideas. Then we'll start the discussion. Ready, sir? Start your discussion.
I think, gentlemen, India should focus on the Indian European relation because we see the example of Russia. Here we have 40 to 50% defense. So
okay, just number 4. I admire your point. As India has the largest democracy in the world and most populated country in the world, so it have I can say total of 3 parameters on which they can focus for the development. First one is population, second one is GDP, and third one is economy.
yes.
I think that India should focus on West Asian nations to develop itself, because I think that West Asian nations are particularly in the neighborhood of India, and also this is the we can say the resources are available there. So we can say that if we increase our relationship with West Asian nations, so that would be more beneficial for India.
Technology that India, they have the resources for buying Indian resources, Indian technology, and India is now currently working on many things which can be sold to the West Asian nation, and it can help. It will help our economy, and it will help us to become more self-reliant.
Yes,
Of
but
course, I would
you
like
can't
to also
ignore
mention
India,
that
Russia
we have
relation.
recently seen that in Afghanistan, the Taliban has occupied the country, and for the stability of the neighborhood, it is necessary to build the relationship with them.
In my opinion, India should focus on West Asian countries because it gives a lot of opportunities to the Indian companies to develop their infrastructure, and
we
it
can
can
take the example of
boost
China.
our economy.
Ma'am, I partially disagree with you because when we talk about Western Asian nations, they are not stable. Lots of countries in West Asia.
We can take example of China,
and,
Pakistan.
When we talk about India-Russia relation, we can say that it's a history of relation from 1947. We have a very good relation with Russia. Even in 1971 war, when USA is supporting Pakistan, Russia is with us and they are always supporting us. And Russia is also
take the example of
for Indian
We can take example like on 26th of January, 5 leaders of West Asian nations are coming to our country, and that is a good sign that India wants good relation with the West Asian nations.
I admire the point, madam. When America pulled out of Afghanistan, there has been a power vacuum in the West Asian nation and Middle East. So India can fill that power vacuum and sell their services and the goods, and many around 55 lakh people work in West Asian.
We can take the example of Brahmos. India and Russia combinedly working on
China.
this is efficiently work on our defense services.
I would like to mention that why West Asian nations is more important, because if we see that look at the history, America also focusing on the West Asian nations, because America knows that region is also a mineral resource rich country.
Yes,
India
have to work with West Asian nation, but before minerals we have to also focus on our stability. We have to also focus on military.
Russia also
So its leadership in the West Asian nations, and it can provide a very good chance for Indian companies to go there and invest there, and then it can boost our economy.
As we are leader in our southwest nations, and we provide relief and self-reliance to our country as we support them in our.
Chestnut has mentioned a very right point. Along with it, India should put them in or involve them in organizations like BRICS and SCO. How they can involve themselves in an organization?
Number 9
because they have the.
Just now, we agree with your point, but now Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia, just came to India and signed the many defense deals. So I think we have to focus on the defense deals because it may increase our.
Along with defense deal, we should involve us into the.
I know that gender trade is less.
We have good relation with the American countries and European countries, but now we should focus on West Asian nations. We have seen that Taliban has captured Afghanistan.
And I would like to say that there is a saying in world politics that nothing is above the interest of own country. Okay, so I would like to say that if we look at the COP26, so every country is trying to be carbon neutral. So for that we need to have the alternatives of the biofuels and all. So we need to have the renewable energy resources. So for that I would like to say that in Kazakhstan we have seen that Kazakhstan is the largest, we can say the
investing around 18,000 crore in Srinagar for making a mall, which will develop and which will create more job opportunities for the rural people, and will development is required in many places like.
We are selling our defense equipment to these countries, and we got very good.
Just a minute.
Yes,
We have good relation with India, Russia.
Yes, and also at chest number 1 noted that we have to go for renewable resources. So for that we have to become
Also, we
part
can
of
focus
NSG
on-
also. So for becoming part of NSG,
Means we
we
need
need
to-
support of Russia and West Asia. So that we can become the part of NSG and
Just
we
number
can get
just number 5 mentioned a very right point. We need to be on top in all the aspects. Just number 5 mentioned a very right point.
Chest number 10. Russia also supported the participation of India in many international corporations.
Organizations, yes.
But now I want to give you example
So I
that
think we
now
have-
it is focusing on China, and with the help of Pakistan it wants to
China is
use the
not our-
resources of Afghanistan. So it is better for India to focus on the West Asia.
Yes,
Yes,
Russia is
basically,
going
it's
to
like
India-
Iran
India
is more,
is-
it's like
neighbor
India than
countries,
China.
very much
India is a
cultural
reliable
and
partner for
relations
Iran
ties,
and
yes, yes,
neighbor countries, which will strengthen our democracy too. As we have recently seen in Afghanistan how Taliban has occupied it. That's why India, due to lack of poverty in Afghanistan, there is a very loss
Yes,
of
you
time.
rightly
But
mentioned
India
that.
is-
But
India is-
advantage is not
India-
And also, ma'am, as you
India has-
mentioned that
India has
Russia is focusing more on China than India.
exported
Same way, India
around
is also
50,000
making balance with
total.
Russia and US as well.
because of America, Russia is focusing on
India
China
cannot
because of America.
just number India cannot maintain at the same time
Yes.
relation with USA and Russia because
So India have to balance with US and Russia, and it is balancing with.
but at the same time they cannot
They
maintain
said
both
We have more advantage to
Our
focus on the
topic
India.
was that where
We have
India should
a lot of
focus.
population.
Yes.
Focus.
We are deviating from our topic.
So in my opinion, it is better to focus on West Asian nations.
Let the just number 7 to speak. Let the just number 7 to speak.
American nations only see as India a very big and populated country, so it is a market for them and only inflate. So it will not make a complete balance in the further future. So we more focus on about our neighbor countries so that it will strengthen our democracy and our and increase self-reliance. So we should.
Yes,
Yes,
I strongly
I definitely know that
Just number
India
8,
will
I
have
would
good
like to
trade
mention
relation.
that because the disturbance of in our neighborhood is also security threat for us, because we should also focus that our neighborhood should not our neighborhood never be
We
like
can't
that.
leave our neighbor like that.
If
We
we
have
have
to
a
make.
unique, good relation with West Asian countries, then there is less likely that India will get
But
any
gentlemen,
problem.
America only think of their advantage, not other advantage.
Yes.
You have to agree with my
Yes,
point.
that is why America wants to keep the West Asia
Yeah, but,
unstable to make
right
profit.
now-
Okay, stop your GD. So this was a group discussion on a topic, international level topic. फर्स्ट टॉपिक जो आपका रहेगा जीडी का, फर्स्ट जीडी, इसमें जो दो टॉपिक के ऑप्शन मिलेंगे, among those topic, both topic will be of above average level, like this topic. जिसमें आपको knowledge ज़्यादा चाहिए, and if you are not aware about your surroundings, about general affairs, then it will be hard for you to participate in that discussion. जैसा maximum लोग के साथ यहाँ पे हुआ, ठीक है? The second level of GD will be of simple level topic, like corruption, women empowerment, such type of topic, on which if you have just awareness of about your surrounding, you read newspaper daily, then it will be far easier for you to participate in that discussion. Okay? So we'll do a practice of that GD as well. It will not be a big GD, a long GD. It will be a short one, but it will give you an idea of कैसे वो discussion होता है, right? The topic for second GD will be who is most responsible for declining value of women in India? Who is most responsible for declining women in India? First, politics. Second, caste discrimination. And third, men. ठीक है? Is the topic clear? Men. Start your GD.
And gentlemen, my topic is
The declaration
Politics.
of women in India is main cause is man, because we know that India is a man main.
In my opinion also,
My
the
opinion is
declination
also,
of women's
the-
position in our society is because of men and their mentality that leads to such type of heinous crimes, and that's why they are not able to express themselves.
Men also not want to give
politics are main problem to decline the woman.
Woman is she is weakest in the society, so the mentality has the man developed that mentality because of
Yeah, it's like
in my point of view,
society.
in my point of
Yes.
view, politics plays the major role for declining the value of
Yes.
women in our country.
But man is man because man does not want to give education to women. So I think man is the main reason.
The politics is the main value of main declines of women and say
women are treated as goddess. But the influence of Western invaders and Western culture had declined the respect for women in our society, and politics has played a major role in it. As many politicians want to present themselves at a global level in around 100 years ago. So they.
Yes, I agree with you. As when we
In urban areas this is possible, but in rural areas this is not possible. Just number 3.
I will take an example in earlier Brahmin family. There is an example in Kerala. There is a lady whose name is Nangeli. Although it was a Hindu society
Yes.
and kingdom, but the lady has to cut his upper part because it was like the man has made a very strict rule that women cannot wear his clothes over.
Yes, it's the right, but this was happening in earlier times of India, but now
In rural areas there is parda and many patha, which stop women to do anything in society.
Yeah, that's right.
Because of the patriarchal mindset, they have not been given enough representation at
The main
any
thing
level.
that-
And that's why they are not able to perform.
I agree with you.
There are a lot of societies.
With patriarchal society,
If we go in the forest areas, there are a lot of communities which
Tribal
have the
areas.
matriarchal society also. So I would like to say that if the politics plays an important role, then it would be the
yes.
Yes, yes, number
Yes, I agree with you. Politics is the main
politics
reason.
is
When we
the
talk about
main reason.
medieval India or even now, politics is the main reason always. Either on that time because of sultans and king, and now because of politics is the main reason I feel. When we talk about patriarchal society, when we go to northeast, we will find that there women are treated more valuable. There women are getting dahej for marrying any guy. So this is like patriarchal society.
I partially agree with just number 5.
But below it is not. As you say, politics has in early
Yeah.
period also, politics has made the whatever the condition of women today is. But who are the politicians?
Politics-
that time?
politics
The
by
men-
king. King and
men
king
were the-
makers.
men were
Gentlemen.
the-
Stop your GD. So in this session you must have found out कि second वाला GD में it is easier to form points because facts कम चाहिए but opinion matters more. So next चीज जो आपकी चेक होती है it is your power of expression. So if you have good power of expression you will be able to form a group quickly. And controversially second topic में दिक्कत ये होगी लेकिन कि अगर आपका power of expression थोड़ा weak है, like you are stammering a lot, you are not able to express yourself properly, then आपके participation आपके group के लिए negative way में जाएगा. Because group will be discussion in a good way. फिर आप stammering की power of expression के साथ बोलेंगे वहाँ पे, and the problem will be that कि group की performance अचानक से lower हो जाएगी. So that's how the GTO knows कि आपकी performance से group का फायदा हो रहा है या आपकी performance से group की performance नीचे आ रही है. It is a group exercise, so you must focus all कि आपके सारे जो acts हैं, सारे participation है, it must be in the favor of the group only, not for yourself. GTO के शुरू के 4 बेसिक टास्क जो आपके हैं, मे बी ग्रुप डिस्कशन, ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज, प्रोग्रेसिव ग्रुप टास्क एंड ग्रुप ऑब्स्टिकल रेस. इन चारों में जो वर्ड कॉमन है दैट इज ग्रुप. सो इसमें जितने भी पार्टिसिपेशन आपका होगा इन द ग्रुप डिस्कशन एज वेल, सिर्फ पार्टिसिपेशन इसीलिए होना चाहिए कि आपके ग्रुप की परफॉर्मेंस को आप किस तरीके से बेहतर कर सकते हो. सामने से अगर बाहर से कोई सुने तो इस ग्रुप के बारे में तारीफ करेगा या बुराई करेगा. आपके पॉइंट्स देने से लोगों की नॉलेज बढ़ रही है या फिर आप किसी के अच्छे पॉइंट को काट के सिर्फ अपनी परफॉर्मेंस दिखाने के लिए पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो. ऑल दीज फैक्टर्स विल शो इन हिडन साइड्स ऑफ योर पर्सनालिटी. इज इट क्लियर? एनी डाउट्स? ओके, सो दिस वाज अ टेस्ट ऑफ योर GD.
Thank you sir.